Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Rai, and with me today I have Manat Singh, who's pursuing his master's in marketing from Purdue University. So let's learn from how he went through the entire application journey, what motivated him to apply to Purdue University, and the experience so far. So welcome, Manat. Hope you're doing good. Please begin with your introduction.
Hi everyone. So my name is Manat and I am currently pursuing masters in marketing at Purdue University. It's a STEM course which actually gives you an option to pursue for OPT for 3 years. So I'll tell a little about my background about myself. I graduated from Thapar University in 2018, and after that, I worked in market research. And then I decided to broaden my horizon in marketing and decided to pursue an MS degree in marketing at Purdue University. And I was fortunate enough to get an admit from there. I had options of getting marketing at UT Dallas and business analytics from UMass Amherst, from University of Massachusetts Amherst, but I decided to go with MS Marketing at Purdue because of the brand name and the course that I really was passionate about. So right now I have completed 1 year of my course at Purdue University, and it's been a pretty good run so far. It's a STEM course, so it has a lot of focus on analytics as well. And so as part of our degree, I'll explain a little bit. So you get two options to pursue at Purdue. One is the 10 months tracks, which is the from July to May, where it's a 10 months track, so you directly apply for jobs after you graduate. And the second track is the internship track, where you I started from 2022 July, and I graduated in December 2023, and I have an internship in between. Right now, I have two offers from HSS, which is Hospital for Special Surgery in New York, and Cummins in Columbus, Indiana, which I'm deciding which one to go to. But right now, I have an internship option, and after I complete my internship, I have one fall semester which I need to pursue. So it's an 18-month track, and I mean it depends where you want to pursue your track to. Basically, but it's a STEM degree. It has a lot of focus on analytics. So it's not only just about marketing as alone. You do get to learn a lot about analytics, a lot of R, Python, a lot of programming languages. So yeah, that is a little bit about me.
Okay, Manat. So applying to a foreign university is a multi-pronged process. It involves a lot of things. So can you walk us through your journey? How did you start preparing, and eventually, what challenges did you face, and how did you overcome those challenges?
So my journey has actually been pretty long when it comes to applying to universities. So I initially started with I left my job actually to apply for universities to prep for GRE because my job was really demanding. But in my first attempt, I could not really get a really good score. My score was 301. But then I reached out to help for someone, especially for Naveen sir. And in my second attempt, it went really well. Actually, I scored 320 in GRE, and and my IELTS score was also 8 bands. So that really helped me out. So I would really recommend everyone to actually get help from someone if you're not able to get a good score while you're working, because I know like working full time and then probably prepping for GRE could be really challenging. And if you can do simultaneously both the things, it's kudos to you. But for me it did not work out, so I reached out to someone for help, and Naveen sir really was there for me to help me out. So in my second attempt, I got my score for 320, and I did start applying for universities. So initially I was like So I was thinking of applying to like 3 or 4 universities, but practically that does not really help you out. And that's what like sir helped me out with. So I applied to a ton of university. I applied to 10 universities and then got calls from 4 universities. And that is actually the reality. You need to like apply to a lot of universities and then really get a call. So after like my first attempt, I went ahead with guidance from Naveen sir, and I got admits from UT Dallas, Purdue, and University of Massachusetts Amherst. In UT Dallas, I got MS in marketing. In Purdue, I got MS in marketing, and in University of Massachusetts, I got masters in business analytics. But because my passion was really it was lying in the field of marketing. So I went ahead with Purdue MSN marketing, and so far it's been a pretty good journey for me. Because I had experience in market research, I've been able to extrapolate that experience and actually add on from the coursework that I've learned from the Purdue University. So that combined has really helped me in getting a really good perspective on how to go on with marketing and how to have a really holistic perspective on business. So far it's been a pretty good journey. I'm really like thankful to Naveen sir for that. So yeah, if you feel that you're stuck and you need some kind of an external help, don't be shy with it. Go ahead with it, because you need to focus on the outcome rather than like just thinking on those things like कि क्या मैं खुद से कर लूंगा नहीं कर लूंगा फीस बचा लूंगा. You need to think on the bigger picture that is ahead of you, कि the best opportunity you can get. Sometimes you might need some kind of an external help, and in my case Naveen sir helped me out. And I'm not in your case, or probably Naveen sir may help you out, probably someone else. But at the end of the day, if you feel you're not able to crack it, you should get any help, because there are a lot of opportunities in US. And just landing out here could help you a lot. And probably if you're stuck, just probably get some help. That really helps.
Thank you, Manat. Wonderful piece of advice there. And now, uh, what I would say, what I recall is during your application, it has been a long time now. We were running against time, right? We started the application part. We started a little late. So maybe to the viewers who are watching, to the students who are planning their journey, one advice maybe could be that they could start little early. Otherwise, toward the end, it kind of puts a lot of pressure. Managing so many applications becomes kind of stressful. One wonderful thing that I would like to highlight from your journey is that you did not give up. First time you wrote the GRE exam, you got 301, and you were managing so many things. The job was demanding, and market research is not very easy pursuit. Along with that, and then you reached out for help. You studied, you practiced for GRE, wrote it again, and then boom, 301 to 320, which is a pretty good jump, right? So one student should definitely have faith, should not give up if in the first attempt, the score is not as per your target. And second is the extensive research that you've done. You were very clear from the beginning. As I recall, is what you want to pursue, and you were able to connect the dots. You were able to see what you've done in past, what your future aspirations are, and how a particular course and which particular course would help you in achieving your career aspirations. So that level of clarity, once you have, obviously we did a lot of brainstorming and we came up with list of courses, list of universities where you would be applying to. But then having some sort of clarity really helps in the process which you had. So kudos to you for that. And I wish you all the very best, Banat, for your journey, and congratulations for landing up wonderful opportunities there. And it has been wonderful interacting with you. Thank you, Manat.
Thanks a lot, sir. One tip I'd like to give everyone is like whenever you give out your resume and application. So for application, you should be really sure what your past experience is, as sir said, and what you want to achieve. Connect the dots. Probably then show it in your application and in your resume. When you come to US or before coming to US, probably add numbers on where you had that impact throughout your job. Mention those numbers, mention the quantitative impact. That really helps in standing out even before coming to US and even definitely after coming to US. You need to mention those numbers in your resume. So these things you should really keep in your mind before coming to USA. So and I pretty much believe that Naveen sir would really help you with that.
Thank you so much, Manat. It was great interacting with you. Thank you. All the very best.